Biology, Part 3. Well, H2O is equal to H plus OH minus. Pure water contains an exactly equal number of H plus and OH minus ions, in addition to many undissolved water molecules. However, substances dissolved in water often affect the balance of H plus and OH minus, OH negative ions. For example, an acid substance increases the number of H plus ions in the solution, while a base or alkali combines the H plus ion and in effect removes them from the solution. The pH power of hydrogen of the solution is formally defined as pH is equal to log 10 H plus into H plus, where H plus is the concentration of H plus ion, moles per liter. Chemicals units and other terms with which you may be unfamiliar or defined. Water in living organisms. The main importance of water to living system is the addition of water, the complementary process as a solvent. By dissolving many of the body chemicals, even those with large molecules such as proteins, water provides a medium in which chemical reactions can occur. Water can also take part directly as a reactant in chemical processes. One important type of reaction is called hydrolysis, where large molecules are broken down into simpler ones by the non-polar region. By the index glossary at the back, and the practical values are also there. They are broken down into simpler ones by the addition of water. The complementary process is also called condensation, where larger molecules are built up from the similar ones by removing water. Almost all the large molecules produced in metabolism are built by condensation reactions. The physical properties of water, like its chemical proportions, derive mainly from the polar nature of water molecules. Some of the properties and the reasons for their importance are set out in the table. Carbon compounds. Carbon accounts for about 18% of the mass of the human body. It forms hundreds of different compounds, each with its own particular part to play in the metabolism and life of the organisms. These compounds are so important that the living systems are often said to be carbon-based, with a few exceptions including carbon dioxide and carbonates. Compounds which contain the element of carbon are called organic compounds. Over 2 million such compounds are known, although many of them do not occur in the organisms. It is clearly important to consider the properties of carbon which enable it to form so many compounds. Carbon has the atomic number 6, and each atom of carbon has 2 electrons in its first shell and 4 electrons in its second shell, which is the outermost shell. Thus, each atom has 4 electrons which can be shared, allowing 4 covalent bonds to be formed with other atoms. The other atoms include the hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen atoms, and most significantly, additional carbon atoms. The strength of covalent bonds varies depending upon the atoms which are involved.